America, wake up. We spend over $50 billion in helping out the Ukraine. How much of that money goes to target hardening our schools? In Lee County, Florida, we have warriors. My family members are warriors. You that trust in me as your sheriff and trust in my family that you can drop your child off and that we are going to make certain your child is safe. Active shooter training. How you train is how you perform. We train 7 times the amount here in Lee County, dictated by Florida state statute, to ensure that how you train is how you perform. My family members, without hesitation, not waiting 1 second, are ready for anything that comes our way. For any person or persons that go into a school where our children are and they present deadly force, they will be met with deadly force immediately. We are going to kill them. Where our teachers, faculty, and staff are there protecting and teaching our children. It's our responsibility to make certain they are safe. It's our responsibility to make certain they go to school to learn. For any person that thinks differently, I call you 1%ers. The 1%ers that think I'm here maybe talking because I want publicity or press, I'm going to tell you, haters or motivators, we are absolutely going to annihilate and kill them. Then I don't want your vote. I don't care what you think. And we have no issue in talking about that because there's nothing else to say. Our children are helpless. Because while the rest of America runs away from a chaotic situation, these are the heroes that go in and take care of business. When you kiss your loved one goodbye to send them to school, thank you for having the confidence in your sheriff's office that we will absolutely protect them and make certain they come home, which is most important. I promise you in closing, we will do everything possible to mankind, leaving no resource behind, sparing no expense. When it comes to a child's life, there's nothing more precious. And your sheriff's office, the Lee County Sheriff's Office, is ready for anything that comes our way. And your sheriff's office will engage immediately, and our training will kick in. And once again, that threat will be eliminated, and we will kill anyone that tries to hurt our children. God bless you, and God bless America.